Spaghetti sushi? That is for sure spaghetti. Spaghetti and rice. Wow. Hot dogs, barbecue. Here's an area we can actually get to the food. Let's try some of this. Bunko.
Hey guys. Hi.
Very friendly. Oh, what is this? Oh, sushi? Let's try this. Hi.
Sir, sushi.
Pila?
30.
Each? 30
Yes.
each? You want to try one? What's the best seller?
Sir, crab stick. Crab stick.
Okay, we'll try that. One of those.
How many?
Just one. Give me 3 of your best sellers. Whatever you think is good. What is this with noodles?
Samyang.
Okay.
No more.
And then, what's this one with flowers?
Maki.
Maki? What flavor? Is it ube?
It's just food color. It's just
Food color, okay. Okay, give me the green one. I'll take a green one.
Crab stick.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. You want to try it? It looks weird. This one's got spaghetti.
Yeah.
This one is, I don't know. We'll try the green one. Green with flowers. Cucumber. I'm just gonna eat it. It's good. It's like rice with mayo.
They said it's just a food color.
So this is like crab on a stick with like cheese on top, I think. They do taste kind of like sushi. It's all cooked though, which is nice. It's nice. Very salty. You sure you don't want to try the spaghetti? Spaghetti sushi? That is for sure spaghetti. Spaghetti and rice, okay? That was 50 cents per piece. That's not bad. Kuya here is frying a bunch of chicken. I'm feeling some ice cream though. You want some ice cream? Okay, we're gonna look for ice cream. I'll probably be back in just a minute. There's so much to see. This is buy one, get one for 100. So we're getting a cookies and cream blended coffee and then a ube ice scramble. Looks good. I've lost track of how much money.
I think you spend a lot on those bread.
Yeah. the bread, well, we won't count the bread. That's more just like groceries. So 100 on this, 90 on the sushi. What a shout out, bro? I think that's the candied strawberries and stuff. Looks good. There's so much. There's still like a whole... I still want ice cream after this, even though we're about to have ice. I'm having ice scramble. Okay. Cookies and cream. So for 100, it's like $1.60 for 2 large iced coffees or ice shake, milkshakes, I guess. Wow, there's so much more food. We could definitely get on here. Shout out? You want to, bro? I saw bro looking. He wants in there. Mickey Mouse. Okay. Bam. I don't know if there's a place. Maybe we go on the sidewalk and eat out of the way. Let's see. Maybe we can squeeze through somewhere. All right. Now we're out of the mix. Ice scramble. Let's try it. Sprinkles. So good. Oh, here's your straw. Let's try a bite. It's got like a cream powder on top. It's good. Like a milkshake with malt powder. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this. We'll be back. Okay, after some quick math, I think we're at 260. I'm gonna try to keep a running total on this video when I make it. So hopefully there'll be a little total right here. I'll see if I can put one in the screen. I think I'm at 260 so far. So we're halfway. I'm feeling pretty full though. I've got a lot of food. Quick, juice. Now the ice scramble, the sushi, a muffin. God, what else do we have? I think that, what else? I don't know. Well, I'll go through a list. So we're gonna keep going. We got 240 more to spend, so we'll see you in a minute. A lot of food, a lot of people. Get out of the way with the trash. Seafood. Barbecue. More juice. The juice looks good. Toast le bois. Biryani, corn dogs. Ooh, corn dog. Excuse me. Hi. How much are the corn dogs?
35.
35.
3 for 100.
Corn dog?
Ayun na lang.
Yeah. One corn dog, please.
One corn dog?
Yeah. How about the dynamite?
50.
50. Go ahead. There you go, ma'am. 35.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll hold your drink. I don't know, the corn is calling my name. Might get some corn. I'm gonna get video of the corn. Let's see. Enjoy your corn dog. Go ahead. Corn comes with, I think this is orange. I don't know what's going on. This sweet corn, chili sauce, a little bit of everything.
Thank you, ma'am. Sweet corn.
How much is the corn?
Sir?
How much?
Sir, we have 30, we have 50, and the whole.
How much is the juice?
Melon juice, we have also 70 and 50.
Okay. And you said you have a 30 of the corn?
Why 130?
30 and 70.
Ah, okay.
So 100 total, yeah.
Okay. We have blue cheese and milk.
However you do it, it's fine. Whatever is the usual.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Is that hot? Spicy? Halang?
No.
Okay. Mixes it up. Cheese powder, I guess?
Yes.
Ah, okay. And then, is there orange in this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Sweet condensed milk. Melon. It looks so good.
Yeah.
Lami?
Yes. Lummy, like lummy.
Yeah. Here, hold this, please. There you go. Salamat.
Thank you very much.
All right.
May baso? Wala na yung kutsara.
There you go. Too much to carry. Let's eat. Okay, let's try the corn. It's got cheese powder and milk. Oh wow. Very salty cheese powder. It was good though. It's kind of like elote, huh?
That's why they put condensed milk. Because the cheese is...
Because it's very salty. Ah, so the condensed milk evens out. It's good. The lady was very nice. They said she's yummy like the corn. The corn is good. Oh. So that was 100. So up to 360. We still got 140. Oh, this corn is really good. Very buttery. I don't know if we're at the end of it. I think maybe. I'm gonna see how far. I see more places at the end though. No telling how far this actually goes. Let's try the juice now. Melon juice. Oh yeah. It's like cantaloupe and ice cream mixed together. There's so much melon inside, and all the sweetened condensed milk is at the bottom. Let me stir it up. But it's full. It's like chunky of all the melon. Oh, it's so sweet. It's like crazy sweet. Do you want to try the juice? No? She got a corn dog. She's happy. Oh. All right. We're going to enjoy this and see if we can go spend 140 more. Bye.